Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is globalization. The first question arises, what do you mean understand by the globalization? Globalization is the process of international integration arising from the interchange of the word, view, product, idea and other aspect of a culture. Means we can say that globalization in today's world has come to imply many things. It is a process of integrating the economy of a country with the economics of other country under the condition of free flow of trade, capital, movement of person across the border. It also include export import of the technique of a production, migration of people from one country to another, increase in foreign trade. Let's take one example. You can see the such a variety of ranging choice of goods in our market is relatively recent phenomena. You would not have the found such wide variety of goods in the Indian market even 2 decades back. In the matter of year, our market has been transformed. What is multinational cooperation? Under the middle 20th century, the production largely organized within a country, and what crossed the boundary of these countries were raw material, food, finished product. Colonies such as Indian export raw material and food and imported finished goods. Trade was main channel connecting distant countries. This was before large company called multinational cooperation. Means we can say that a MNC is a company that own or control the production is more than one nation. MNC set up office and factories for production in region where they can get cheap labor, other resources, and this is done so that the cost of production is low and the MNC can earn greater profit. Take one example. Means a large MNC production industry equipment design its product in research center in the United States, then has the component manufactured in China. These are then shipped to Mexico and Eastern Europe where the product are assembled. The finished product are sold all over the world. Meanwhile, the company customer care is carried out through all call center located in India. This is the example of the MNC. Means we can say that an enterprising operating in several countries but managed from one country or group that derive a quarter of its revenue from operation outside of its home country and considered to be a multinational corporation. Now interlinking production across the countries. In general, MNC set up production where it close to the market, where there is skilled and unskilled labor available at a low cost, and where the availability of other factor of production is assured. In addition, MNC might look for the government policy that look after their interests. So after fulfilling these some conditions assured themselves for these conditions, MNC set up factory and office for productions. The money that is spent to buy assets such land, building, machine, other equipment is called investment. An investment made by the MNC is called foreign investment, or any investment is made with the hope that these assets will earn profit. Means investment is the purchase of goods that are not consumed today but are used in the future to create wealth, and foreign investment is when the company and individual from one nation invested asset and ownership stake of company based in another nation. Now, MNC set up production jointly with some of the local companies of the country. The benefit to the local company of such joint production is twofold. First, MNC can provide money from the additional investment, like buying the new machine from faster production. Second, MNC might bring with them a latest technology for the production. But most common route for MNC investment is to buy the local companies and then expand productions. MNC with huge wealth can quite easily do so. And the another way in which MNC control production is large MNCs developed country place order for production with small producers, garment, footwear, and etc. For example, industry where production carried out by large number of small producers around the world. The product are supplied to the MNC, then they sell under their own brand name to the customer. These are the large MNC have tremendous power to determine price, quality, delivery, and labor condition of the distant product. So like this production in these widely disparate location is getting interlinked.